Like in everything, there are good things and bad things, and especially when it comes to a whole lifestyle, there are a lot of things you should definitely avoid and things that you should definitely do. And after living this simple living lifestyle for around a couple of years, we have noticed that there are a lot of trends coming and going in this, but nobody is really talking about the mistakes you could do when you're just starting out this simple living lifestyle.
So we are saving your time, your energy, and do the job for you, telling you exactly what you should avoid. This is Fra
And Seve.
from Sanigan Journey.
And let's go straight into point number 1, which is not knowing your why. One of the biggest mistakes you can do is starting simple living just because it's some sort of trend. I think this goes with anything, just starting out because it's the new hottest thing, but you have actually no idea what you're doing or why you are starting it.
When you make a lifestyle decision, you need to have a big reason why you're doing it. Or I mean, if it's not big, at least clear.
Yeah.
Otherwise you will miss the motivator and you will not know why you actually are doing it and what can be the real benefit about it.
Yeah, so it could be that you get super into it for a month and then you realize, well, this wasn't for me, but I already changed everything, so it's kind of, you cannot go back anymore so easily. And with simple living this can definitely happen because it's quite big lifestyle change what you could eventually do.
Yeah, let's say that you get rid of 100% of your stuff and then you decide that it's not exactly a lifestyle you imagined for you, then you have to buy everything back.
Yeah.
Girl, you have done it again.
It's
Yeah.
not exactly so sustainable.
Exactly. And so what we suggest is to think about why do you want to start simplifying your life? What is it that kind of clutters your life or your mind?
Try to search if the benefits that you would get from that are actually matching with your values, with the things you actually want in your life.
And we suggest to write down this reason and come back to it every month or so, just that you don't forget why you actually started this.
What we believe to be the second mistake you could do is to go extreme. For example, start deciding that all of a sudden, in one day, you get rid of 90% of your stuff, even if you might need them in the future. So here the mistake is that you are depriving yourself of everything without even asking how that object is beneficial for you, why you bought it, and why you don't want to keep it anymore. I mean, in this lifestyle it's very important to ask and question all the time the reason why you are buying some stuff, but at the same time get rid of some stuff.
Yeah. So another example of this going extreme could be that many of these simple living influencers, they live in kind of remote cabin somewhere or in the countryside, and you think that, oh my god, I want to do that as well, let's do that next week. You just sell your house or move completely away, and after, I don't know, 3 months you realize this is not actually for me. So you need to do the research first.
And do things little by little.
Exactly. I mean, it's something that very difficult to be perfect in this lifestyle. I mean, you will never be perfect. It just, you need to do little by little go towards what is your kind of ultimate goal with this simple living and what you want to feel, what are the benefits that you want to get from it. And going all at once to the other extreme will most likely just make you feel very stressed, and it will be too big of a change to have like sustainable simple living lifestyle. Mistake number 3 is to believe that this will solve all your problems. I don't think there's a such thing in the world that will solve all your problems forever at once. I think like a happy life consists of many little things, and simple living is just one of those things.
It simplifies your life, as the name of the lifestyle says, but it's not immediate. You have to enjoy the journey anyway and be patient, because as I said before, it's step-by-step transformation.
Yeah, simplifying your life is a whole journey. There are a lot of benefits that come from it, and we think it's a lifestyle everybody should at least try in their lives and understand that your value as a human being doesn't come from the things that you own in your life or how you look like to other people. I think it's a journey of just getting rid of things, simplifying your life, focusing on what is important, but especially it's a very deep journey to go inside of yourself and understand your core values.
Once you simplify your life, you have time, energy to actually focus on the things that matter the most for you. So you might have more free time, and your mind is not that cluttered, it's not so much related to the things that don't bring so much value in your life.
Yeah. So we believe simple lifestyle is a great thing, but don't stop self-improvement and self-love and all this in your life. What will help you to create exactly the life that you want to live.
So we just said what you shouldn't do. And if you want to know what you should do instead, you can watch this video here,
where we talk about our plan to simplify our lives in Finland. Thank you for watching.
And whatever is your lifestyle, remember always to stay kind and meaningful in your own beautiful journey.
Have a nice day. Ciao.